This is my YouTube channel after all, so I do like to be as honest as I can be. But I've not been into Air Maxes for that long. I was late to the party, but I still got bangers. What's good, guys? Ash Bash back again with another episode of Ash Bash's Top 5 Friday, and today it is the Nike Air Max 1 getting that top 5 treatment. So yeah, for sure, Air Max 1 is a sneaker that I've seen over the years, I've liked over the years, but never did cop. Like, I believe it was only as recent as like 2017, I think, when I got my first pair. Since then, I've been like, oh my God, I've been missing out big time on these. And what's annoying is all the heat that came out back in the day that I'm probably never gonna be able to get unless I win the lottery. But there's still fire stuff that's come out, and I've got some decent heat in my collection. Enough anyways to make a top 5 video of the Air Max 1s that I own. So let's get to it. So in at number 5 on the list is, boom, the Air Max 1 Aqua. Super duper lovely kick. I remember when I saw these when they first released. I believe that was still when I wasn't totally sold on Air Max 1s. I was like, these are actually pretty slick, but I'm not into it, so I'm not copping. But I eventually saw these for like a bargain price on, I think it's Foot Locker, something like, no, Foot Patrol even. It was like, I think it was under £70, something like that. It was like a bargain. Good shoe, lovely colorway. Also, if anybody knows, does anyone know where I can get this exact color for the laces? I've been looking to do a lace swap. I saw somebody do it and it looked so fire, but I've just not been able to find it. I bought a pair online that I thought was similar, but it was nowhere near it. So if anyone knows exactly where you can get laces the exact same color as this, I'll much appreciate it. But yeah, number 5, Aqua 1s. In at number 4, and don't be offended that it's only at number 4, because as I said, I don't have that many kicks and it just is what it is. But they're super dope still. It is, boom, classic shit, OG Reds, super fire kick. I think, yeah, this was the first Air Max 1 that I purchased. I believe there was something that came out on the day, and I took an L on that, and then these popped up on my Twitter as like a sneaker that had restocked, and I was like, I need to buy something. I'm in a buying mood, I'm pissed off, and I went for these. Super happy I did. If I hadn't done that, I probably wouldn't have all the pairs that I have today. But yeah, classic. Probably should be higher, but there's some down here that just for some reason I like them a bit more. But yeah, number 4, OG Reds. In at number 3 is a sneaker that when I first saw it, I think it was on Sean Go's YouTube channel, and I was like, how did I miss these completely? But it turned out they hadn't actually come out in the UK yet. It came out in Toronto. For some reason it hadn't come out in the UK yet. So when I finally found them, had to go for it straight away. Probably going to be a future classic maybe, because they're just super dope. It is, boom, the Watermelons, or some people call them the Miami South Beaches or whatever, but I'll call them the Watermelons, and they're super duper fire. I have done a bit of a lace swap with these pink laces. Looks pretty fire. Definitely, again, not an exact match, but I'm sticking with it for now. I do have an idea to put these on another shoe, so I might do it. I might look for the exact color that I'm looking for to match this swoosh. But yeah, super fire kick. This sort of sunset, is it sunset green or sunset pink? I can't remember whatever you call it, what color you call it, but super fire. Watermelons they go hard. Even if you have the OG white laces, they go hard. In at number 3. In at number 2 is a sneaker. I haven't actually done a video review for them yet. I don't even know if I can be bothered because they came out so long ago, and I don't know if I'm going to do it or not. But I was super happy to get them. Obviously had to pay resale, but resale wasn't crazy high. Nothing that scared me off buying them. But it is, boom, yeah, super hot fire heat. The Safari at most joints. Yeah, this shoe is insane. Like, different materials going on. It's just crazy. When I saw these online, I was like, yeah, it's a must-have. What's crazy is, obviously it's Air Max month, so you're going to see more Air Maxes on your timeline anyways. But it seems like since I've purchased these, I see nothing but these popping up on my Instagram of people that I follow. It's like, wow, does everybody have these? And I was just sleeping. Seems like they do. But yeah, this sneaker is super duper hot fire. So many different textures, so many different like furs going on. Very well made. Shout out to Atmos. You killed it with this one. In at number 2 though. Now number 1 on this list will only be a surprise if you didn't watch my top 18 of 2018 video, because he's actually made it as my number 1 pick for last year. Although in hindsight, I think the Union 1's probably was the number 1 pick, but anywho, it is, boom, the Para Air Max 1's. Love this shoe. It's like, it's just so crazy. Again, another lace swap done. Shout out to Stevie Insta G, because I saw him do it. Had to cat it, sorry. I just had to, it's just so fire. But yeah, this sneaker is crazy. As you saw in my review for the shoe, just love it so much going on, all the different patterns. Pete Para absolutely nailed it with this pair. Definitely a future classic, for sure. It's already a classic. I know a lot of people that still want this shoe. I wish I could get a double up, like, I wish. Maybe, who knows, if I ever see it for a decent price, I'll cop another one, because I don't need to get messed up. It's a pair that I'm going to want to have for a while. But yeah, super hot fire. And that is my top 5 for this week. Hopefully you enjoyed. Definitely put down your top 5 Air Max 1's that you own, so I can see what you're working with. That's what I'm working with. Follow me on Instagram, @ashbashsneakers. Dope pictures pretty much every single day. And my Twitter is perfection7. All the details are down below in the bio as per usual. I try and upload my top 5 Friday videos every Friday, of course, and sneaker reviews as and when I pick stuff up. So hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you get notifications every time I upload. I'm out. Later, y'all.